So what's up guys, welcome to another video. It's your friend Aditya here. So I ordered this spare parts, like these are the Bosch wipers, the frameless wipers, which I ordered from Bodmo. It was a while, like I ordered on 5 January and today is 9th January. I got it, so within 4 days I got it. So about the delivery, it's good. So let's unbox the package and see what's all is there. So let me just pause the video and open it. As you can see, we have the frameless wipers here. I ordered it for 2 of my vehicles. So the sizes were 16, 22 and 24 I guess, or 26. Let me check. One was 16. The other was 22. Third one was 26. And this one is 16 again. So for Creta and i10 I ordered it. 16 you can like both Creta and i10 can fit 16. The passenger side it's 16 for both of the vehicles, and for i10, like the first generation i10, it's 22, and the new Creta it's 26. You can see it's around 450 rupees, this 22-inch one, but I guess I got some discount, and at the end of the video I'll tell you about all the prices. You can see the MRP over here. As you can see, I have unboxed all the 4 wipers. As you know, doing it in one hand is difficult, so I have paused the video and unboxed it. So this is how you can fit it. So you just need to open this, you just need to press this and pull it, and there is a hook type thing in that wiper of your car, wiper arms of a car. You just need to clamp it like this and you press it, then just clip it like this, and everything is done and set. After using the old wiper, I've now installed the new wiper again, the frameless one, and you can see how this works. There is no residues left. Every part of it was clean. Yeah, there is a line, but if you just wipe it two, 3 times, it will go away. Let me show you from the outside how it looks. There is a little gap here. Everything is good. This is how the weapon looks on the couch. After that, I have to install it in my i10. So the i10, it's the first generation, so it uses the 22 inches, and the passenger side it was 16 inches. Same it is. The passenger side is 16 inches and the driver side here is 26 inches. As you can see, the Bosch wiper, the Clear Advantage wiper, works very well. There is no marks, nothing. So I'm shooting this video after months of that last video. Forgive my voice in that last video, it was a bit off and I was a bit sick. So anyway, let me show you how this wiper works after months. So this is the normal dry blade. I'm using this with water now. So just like new, it works the same. You can see there is no residue or nothing. So that was my review on this Bosch Clear Advantage wiper. See you in the next one. Stay safe, keep loving me, keep subscribing to the channel and like the video, guys. Thank you. See ya.